In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view multiple calendars side by side in Google Calendar. This feature is a great way to enhance your productivity by providing a clear and comprehensive view of all your commitments across various calendars, whether they are personal, work-related, or any other that you've added. Let's get started. First things first, open your browser and head over to Google Calendar. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to do so using your Google account credentials. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself on your default calendar view. This is your main hub where all your scheduled events are displayed. Now look towards the top right corner of the screen. You should see a small gear icon, which is the gateway to your settings. Go ahead and click on it and you'll get a drop-down menu. From this menu, you'll want to select Settings. This option will take you to a new page where you can adjust all kinds of preferences for your calendar. On the left side of your screen, there's a list of different sections within the settings page. Here you'll want to click on General and then follow up by selecting View Options. This is where you can tailor how your calendar is presented, so it's worth spending some time here if you're looking to optimize your calendar experience. Once you're in the View Options section, you'll notice different checkboxes that allow you to customize your calendar view further. What you're looking for is the option that says View Calendars Side by Side in Day View. Check the box next to this option. This adjustment will enable you to view multiple calendars simultaneously when you switch to the day view. Now that we've made this change, let's go back to your calendar. You can do this by clicking on the small calendar icon or simply hitting the back button on your browser. Once you're back in your calendar view, shift your focus to the top right corner where you'll see options like day, week, month, and so on. Since we want to see the calendars displayed side by side, select day. Congratulations, you've now set up your Google Calendar to display multiple calendars side by side. This view will allow you to easily compare different schedules, helping you spot any potential conflicts or free time across all the calendars you've set up. If later you decide to switch back to another view like the week or month, you can simply toggle back using the options in the top right corner of your calendar. Hopefully this enhancement to your Google Calendar setup helps you manage your time more effectively. Thanks for watching and be sure to tune into our next video for more tips and tricks to optimize your digital workspace.